Go home happy with the 2023 Toyota Tundra. Here's a boldly beautiful Tundra that delivers serious strength and upscale comfort. Engineered to maximize towing and handling stability, this handsome truck also spoils you with a smooth ride and premium cabin loaded with amenities. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, bed liner, heated mirrors, satellite radio, electronic stability control, alarm, steering wheel audio controls, intermittent wipers, traction control. Relax and enjoy the adventure in this can-do Tundra. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.